Happy Sabbath day, everyone. We are here. Tagum is the Central Church. Mga kaibigan natin, thank you so much for all the members of the SDE Church around the world. Mga kaibigan, it's all about 153,000 church of the SDE around the world and 21 million plus of the SDE members who are waiting for the second coming of Jesus Christ. So we are here in Tagum Central. Yeah, happy Sabbath day in America. Third week from the school muli. So my wife is gutom na daw siya. So we are here. Thank you so much for the Almighty Father who art in heaven, mga kaibigan. We're done in our church. Maraming salamat po. Mga kaibigan, we are here now in Chowking of Tagum City. We are done first to the church. And we are attended right now in Tagum SDE Church, Tagum Central. Thank you so much and happy Sabbath day, especially to Honorable Judge Jamie Bustilio Boko of the RTC 11. Happy Sabbath day in America right now because Judge Bopo are in America. Happy Sabbath day, yeah, from here. Thank you so much for being helping me to be converted as this day, mga kaibigan. You know, we are so hungry because we have one rice a day, and then we go to church, and after church then we are here and Chowking Tagum, mga kaibigan. So abot na yung order ni Mrs. Gutom ka na? It's a beef chow pan. Yo, it's a beef chow pan. Beef chow pan? Ha? Ha? Uy, dapat one rice a day lang tabaya. It's a beef chow pan, mga kaibigan. Here, beef chow pan. Ito lang ho yung kain natin ngayon. Supposedly yung kain natin is ng rice is about 11 o'clock. Medyo nalalagpas ng kunti just because matagal ho ang mag-church natin. So we are done first in church. Afterwards, mga kaibigan, pumunta ho tayo dito sa Chowking. And we are ordering this chow pan, mga kaibigan. Tapos sa tama ng Diyos, maraming salamat sa kakanin po. Kain muna tayo. Chow pan. After rice, mga kaibigan, halo-halo. Oo, halo-halo, mga kaibigan. Mas manang. Ay, manang. Ha? Saan sa'yo diet?